Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace front turn signal light bulb on Mercedes E-Class, the generation from 2003 all the way until 2009. Okay, so the left and the right side will be identical, and stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. Now we'll demonstrate on the right side of the vehicle because we have more room. That way we'll be able to show you better guys. So we'll try to get the light in there. This is the turn signal light bulb right here. So when you get your hand in there, okay, let me show you one second. Okay, right here you can see. Okay, let me get the best thing we can. This is the bulb right here, so you need to turn counterclockwise about 30 degrees and you can pull it out. Okay, this is the bulb now. Okay, so in order to remove it, you push down and turn counterclockwise again. Okay, and you can see this is the bulb. Okay, let me see if it has a number on it. Ours specifically is a 2003 model, so it's original Germany bulb 1156A. Okay, so when you are ready to install the new one guys, we'll show you how to do that in a minute. You need to get the new bulb, push it in and turn clockwise. Now you need to go back here, okay, and get it in that hole. You need to find the slots and turn clockwise again. Okay, you see? Okay, now it's in. You need to make sure that it's tight and it doesn't go anywhere. So that's how you guys remove and replace front turn signal light bulb. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.